Hello guys, welcome back to Rika's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a tasty and soft sponge cake known as Mkate or mayai in Kiswahili. So stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. Ingredients: you will need sugar 1 glass, self-rising flour 1 glass and a half, 10 eggs which is approximately to 1.5 glass, a bit of raisins and half a teaspoon of cardamom. In a medium large bowl, add 1 glass of sugar, then add 1 glass and a half of eggs which is approximately to 10 eggs, and add a half a teaspoon of cardamom. Then take a hand mixer and mix everything till the mixture rises up. It took me about 15 to 20 minutes till the mixture becomes like this, then followed by 1 cup and a half of self-rising flour which contains baking powder already. But if you don't have this flour, use the normal wheat flour and add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and add a bit by a bit while mixing using a wooden spoon till everything is well combined. Once everything is well mixed, take a baking pan, place a baking sheet at the bottom and add the batter in. Slightly heat the baking pan so that the bubbles can disappear and add some raisins, then bake it at a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 50 minutes till well baked. When you want to know your sponge cake is ready, take a toothpick and dip it in. When it comes out clean, then the sponge cake is ready. Remove from the oven and let it cool down completely before serving it. And my tasty soft sponge cake is ready, as you can see in the video. Serve on a plate with some hot tea, coffee or milk and enjoy your soft sponge cake. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes like this, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.